Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video we'll be solving this question, which is 3 raised to the power of x plus x is equal to 30. So we have to solve for the value of x. Alright, so the first step here is to subtract x from both sides. So subtracting x from both sides, so that will be 3 raised to the power of x plus x minus x is equal to 30 minus x. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 30 minus x. Alright, before I move further, so I would like to introduce the Lambert W function. So let's say you have a function x multiplied by e raised to the power of x. Okay, you have this, and then you take the Lambert of this. So if we take the Lambert of this, that is Lambert of x multiplied by e raised to the power of x. So this is just x, okay? So that's the method I will be using here. Alright, so what do you think we can do to this question to have something and to have something like this and to have something like this, so that we can take the Lambert function of it? Now, this is what we are going to do. So the first thing is to divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of x. So dividing both sides by 3 raised to the power of x, I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 30 minus x over 3 raised to the power of over 3 raised to the power of x. Okay? So we know 3 raised to the power of x, we cancel 3 raised to the power of x. So what remains here is just 1. So we have 1 is equal to 30 minus x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of minus x. According to the law of indices, you know, we have 1 over a raised to the power of n. So this is just a raised to the power of minus n. So that is what I used there according to the law of indices. Okay, now let's move on. So since we have this, so what can we do to have 30 in this my exponent? So what I can do is just to multiply both sides by 3 raised to the power of 30. So multiplying both sides by 3 raised to the power of 30, so that will be 3 raised to the power of 30 multiplied by 1 is equal to 30 minus x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of minus x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 30. So this will be 3 raised to the power of 30 is equal to 30 minus x multiplied by 3 raised to, now according to the law of indices, this will be 30 minus x. So we can see that this and this, they are now the same thing. So now what can we do to have e? Okay, so this now you can see and you can see, but what remains here is this e, but here is 3. What can we do? Now we know that if we have a raised to the power of n, a raised to the power of n is equal to e raised to the power of natural log of a raised to the power of n, so which will be equal to e raised to the power of n natural log of a. Okay, so we can use that in this particular question. So we can rewrite this as, so if we rewrite 3 raised to the power of 30 minus x, so this could be e raised to the power of 30 minus x, then multiply by natural log of 3. Okay, so we have that. Then I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 30 is equal to 30 minus x multiplied by e raised to the power of 30 minus x multiplied by natural log of 3. Alright, so what we are going to do next is just to multiply both sides by natural log of 3. We can see that this and this now, they are not the same thing. And then for us to take the Lambert W function, this and this must be the same thing. But here we have 30 minus x, here we have 30 minus x multiplied by natural log of 3. So what can we do to make this and this to be equal is to multiply both sides by natural log of 3. So multiplying both sides by natural log of 3, so I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 30 multiplied by natural log of 3, so is equal to 30 minus x multiplied by natural log of 3, then multiplied by e raised to the power of 30 minus x multiplied by natural log of 3. So we can now see that this and this, they are now the same thing. So we can be able to take the Lambert's W function. Are you getting me now? So we can be able to take the Lambert's W function, since we already have the criteria we need to take it, which is this and this, they are equal. So taking the Lambert W function of both sides, but before that, okay, let's just take it first and let's check what's going to happen. So taking the Lambert W function of both sides, so according to this, we said if we take the Lambert W function of x multiplied by e raised to the power of x, so it's going to be equal to x. So if I take the Lambert W function of this, so I'm going to have Lambert W function of 3 raised to the power of 30 multiplied by natural log of 3, so is equal to, so this will just be 30 minus x multiplied by natural log of 3. All right, now what we need to deal with is this value over here, how to evaluate the Lambert W function of 3 raised to the power of 30 multiplied by natural log of 3. We don't need to use any calculator, we don't need to use walfram alpha or any internet or anything to solve this. It is very easy and straightforward, very easy and straightforward. So this is what we are going to do. All right, so this is what we are going to do. Sorry. So continuing the question here, so I'm continuing this. So now we have the Lambert W function. We have the Lambert W function of 3 raised to the power of 30. 3 raised to the power of 30, then multiply by natural log of 3. So how can we solve this? That's the question. How can we solve this? All right. Now, we know that 3 raised to the power of 30 is, you can write this as Lambert W function of 3 raised to the power of 27 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by natural log of 3. Are you following me now? Because 3 raised to the power of 27 times 3 raised to the power of 3 will give us 3 raised to the power of 30. Okay, so now let's move on. We know that 27 is 3 raised to the power of 3. So this will be Lambert W function of 3, then raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 3, because 3 raised to the power of 3 will give us 27. Then multiply by 3 raised to the power of 3 multiply by natural log of 3. Then we can see that this is 3 raised to the power of 3 here, this is 3 raised to the power of 3 here. So using the property of the Lambert function, so this will just be Lambert W function of e raised to the power of what? 3 raised to the power of 3 natural log of 3, then multiply by 3 raised to the power of 3 multiply by natural log of 3. Then if I take the Lambert W function of this according to this property, so this will just be 3 raised to the power of 3 natural log of 3. Then I have 3 raised to the power of 3 natural log of 3. Okay, so we've gotten the value of Lambert W function of 3 raised to the power of 30 multiplied by natural log of 3, which is 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by natural log of 3. Okay, then I have 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by natural log of 3, so is equal to 30 minus x multiplied by natural log of 3. So if we divide both sides by natural log of 3, so natural log of 3 will cancel out natural log of 3. So what remains here is 3 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 30 minus x. Okay, so we already know that 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So that will be 27 is equal to 30 minus x. So we collect the like terms, that will be 27 minus 30 is equal to minus x. So that will be minus 3 is equal to minus x, so minus cancel minus. So I have the value of x is equal to 3. So the value of x is equal to 3. So that satisfies the question. Then the question is solved. So the solution to the question 3 raised to the power of x plus x is equal to 30 is x is equal to 3. You know, if we substitute 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27 plus 3. So that will give us 30. So that's the solution to the question. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to, like my videos, share my videos. God bless you.